How to log in Portail Orange. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in login.orange.fr. Press enter. Once you do that, you will be led to the login interface of Portail Orange. I've translated this page to English using the Google Translate. If you understand the French language, you do not have to do it. Enter your Orange account details over here. Click on this field and enter the email address or mobile number. Click on the option Continue. You'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password and click on the option Login. Once you log in, you'll be able to check your emails, pay the bills, or manage your internet and mobile plans. Like this, you can log in Portail Orange. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.